We'll guide you through how to link pages in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, access the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the search bar to find Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome application on your computer and wait for the browser to load completely. Next, click the address bar, type Figma, and press enter on your keyboard. From the search results, select the official Figma website and make sure you're already logged into your Figma account. Once signed in, the Figma homepage will open in your browser and display your available projects. To link pages in Figma, select your recent project from the dashboard and open it. The edit page of your project will then appear, showing the canvas and the pages panel. Move your cursor to the left side of the screen where the project pages are listed. Locate page 2, right-click on it, and choose the Copy Link to Page option from menu. This action copies the direct link to that page and prepares it for use in another element. After copying the page link, navigate to page 1 and find the text layer that you want to use as the clickable link. Click on the text layer to select it. With the layer selected, look for the Create Link option in the Design section of the right side Properties panel and click it. A text field will appear above the selected text layer. Paste the link to page 2 that you copied earlier into this field. Once the link has been pasted correctly, press enter on your keyboard to apply the link to the text layer. Figma will now associate that text element with the destination page. To test the connection, click on the text layer that you just linked. The link should function immediately, and page 2 will automatically open when a linked text is activated. After confirming that the link works properly, you can continue adding more page connections as needed throughout your project for improved navigation and organization.